I be picking the world up while I turn up and hurl up words of the sermon. On the verge of interrupting the preaching like a heathen in the back pew screaming. I'm far from decent. They say that I'm amazing, Caucasian, like an Cajun, caught gazing at the crown, dreaming it would be his. Cause everybody told him that he wouldn't be shit. So I'ma rock the boat to this seasick, ripping beats, 2 pieces and never ceasing, raising the bar till they can't reach it. Steadily but quickly via telekinesis. And back in the day, I was one sick puppy making girls on the playground suck dick for me. So riding around on my rusted Huffy, I knew a normal life just wasn't for me. I picked up the pen and I dropped bars when the cops started to bombard me with all types of harassment like entrapment. But I still found a way to make it happen. On the back end of the spectrum, I was shitting on them like a rectum. I done left them in the dust, forcing my right hand to grab the mic and still keeping my left one in the clutch. To dominate with no conversating. If you're feeling suicidal, I'll accommodate you. And it's in my nature to contemplate a new proclamation to rock the nation. So stop the hating if you ever wanna love again. Cause I got killers in the trap house hustling while I be snapping like a stretched out rubber band. Out of this world, and I can take you to the motherland. Hop up in my spaceship if you want a safe trip to the places I've been to. If not, I don't care what you say, cause I done learned patience from the things I've been through. And if I get to silence you haters, I don't know what I would do then. I'm addicted to the chase, and with no one in front of me, there would be nothing for me to pursue. And regardless, I'ma keep spitting to accomplish the mission that I started in the kitchen in prison. When I was staring at the pots, reminiscing on whipping the dope, getting paper quicker than I ever had did it before. But then I started abusing the cocaine, sparking up a fuse to the propane. And little did I know I would blow, but it started to show when I opened the door to my emotions. Lo and behold, I was dropping the dope, knocking pots on the floor. I was out of control, but now I'm back in focus. So we can play chicken if you're down to get roasted. Chopped up and put on a platter with a non-stop flow like I got a weak bladder. Smoking that loud, I'm causing a clatter. I got no worries, Hakuna Matata. I'm climbing the ladder, faster and faster, breaking out in laughter as soon as I pass you. And when you fall off, you try to get back up, but your knees buckle when you look up at your master. Cause I'm doing this shit, so go walk a mile in my shoes if they fit. Go through the pain I went through as a kid and tell me if you think you could do it this big. Cause I'm standing on top of a mountain, I'm higher than falcons. In love with the haters, I can't live without them. But at the same time, don't give one fuck about them. And there are so many that I can't even count them. Yeah, this shit can get tiring, dropping them every day. Just like my vitamins, cleansing the game. They're calling me niacin. So if you feel the heat, go call the firemen. Before you start burning up on the curb, I'll be turning up me and my crew. Surprised you never heard of us, verbally murderers. So if you'd listen, then you might just find you could learn from us. Yeah, this is a lecture and I am the professor, touching you up like a molester. Yes sir, I'm a little sick-minded, cause growing up I was a little misguided. I found myself breaking the law, making your jaw drop, leaving haters and all. So I'll be in the room while you wait in the hall. Fucked in this game cause she shakes like a dog. I'll be breaking her off while you twiddle your thumbs, spitting these bars till I'm done diddy done. A lyrical giant is what I've become, so you better run at the sound of the drum. Bum, bum, bum.